Let's learn how to replace the pre-filters. Start by shutting off the water supply. Turn off the main water valve to ensure safety during filter change. Open the faucet to release any remaining pressure in the system. Use a wrench to unscrew the filter housing. Carefully remove the old filter. Place the new PP filter into the housing. Ensure it's seated correctly. Reattach the housing and tighten by hand, then use a wrench if needed. Don't over-tighten. Repeat the process for the 2 carbon filters. Ensure all are securely installed. If you find the space around the machine a bit tight, here's a tip. Simply unscrew the filter housing completely. This gives you all the room you need for an easy filter change. For the RO filter, replace the entire cartridge. It's designed for easy maintenance. The cartridge isn't fully seated if the text is crooked. Keep turning to align it. Hold the reset button on the main unit for 10 seconds to reset the filter life indicator. After replacing pre-filters, flush the system for 15 minutes. This cleans the new filters. If you replace the RO filter, rinse for 30 minutes. This ensures optimal performance. For additional support, scan the QR code, email, or call us. We're here to help.